Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to analyze RSR, that is reserve rights, and we'll look at both RSR USDT and RSR BTC chart. So let us begin today's video. I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. So let us directly jump into RSR charts, and if you look at the market cap of RSR, it is at 959 million on coin market cap. So almost $1 billion market cap. And if we look at the charts of RSR, let me first get rid of moving averages for now. As you can see, this is overall an uptrending chart, a bullish chart, and it's been on an amazing uptrend since this breakout in the December 2020. So since this breakout, RSR has been on an uptrend and amazing appreciation. Let us just see so almost 610% move. So it has been trending really well. And if we look at the important levels, what we can clearly see is this level, which is right now acting as resistance, is of importance. This is holding well. It's currently holding as support. These are the resistances that it will face on short term. And of course, it's all-time high. So these are the critical levels to hold. One is 0.67, so almost 7 cents. These are the range that is currently providing a support. And to me, it looks like it is holding well. It's currently getting resisted by the previous support at around 8 cents, 8.1, 0.81. So this is a daily chart, and if we look at the 4-hour, let's see the recent. So we can see this clearly, the levels that we have drawn. This is acting as support, and this is currently acting as resistance, $0.08. So once it breaks, I think at least what we can, this will act as, it has to reclaim 0.08, that is 8 cents. Once it reclaims this, then then I can see it moving higher. And it looks like it is getting ready. We just need Bitcoin to stabilize, and then this looks like a good chart. Because now let's add the moving average. And if we look at the moving average, again, let's go to daily. And if we look at the moving average, just look at this, it's getting resisted by the 10 moving average. And once this 10 moving averages creates a support, and currently the 10 has crossed the 50 MA, so it will have to again cross the 50 MA, and that will give rise to another impulse move. So this is the cross or the flipping that needs to happen, and hence this is a time where you can start building position on RSR if you are interested in this asset. Again, this is not a financial advice. You might lose all your money, so please do your investment after your own research. I am just providing my view over here. So to me, it looks like just a matter of time before, at least if not more, it will do 2x from here. I think in the near future we can see a 20-cent RSR, and it won't be unreasonable to ask. So that is from the current price and almost 148% pump in USDT pair. So this is currently in consolidation, and majorly I think it's consolidating because of the BTC volatility also. If you look at the weekly, we can see that on a weekly it's consolidating, but it is very positive. So it's currently on the weekly, it's currently getting resistance by the 10 weekly. So once it flips the 10 weekly as support, this entire move you can see was because of this 10 weekly support. So this is a good potential for RSR to play. I just need it to flip 8 cent as support. And if we look at the overall strength of this movement, let's use fib, and I will do it from the bottom. Then you can see it's currently 0.5 level is acting as support, and 0. This is 0.236 level at around 9 cents. 0.382 level is at around 7.5 cents. So it's definitely, as per fib, it is having a lot of strength. Anything above 0.5 is bullish. Being above 0.382 is even more bullish. So I think it's just a matter of time before RSR to again start moving upwards. And these are the regions that you can start building your position. These two are the regions where you can have your buys. One is at the current price, it's resisting at 8 cents, and one is at around 6 cents. So these are the two reasons where if you can, get a buy, then you can start building your position. Again, this is not a financial advice, guys. Please do your research. Now, if you look at the BTC chart, this is where I see potential. Just look at this. In the BTC pair, it is looking in fact stronger than the USDT pair. You can see in BTC pair, it has the 10 moving average as support, which was, this is a daily chart. And if you look at this, then this 10 moving average was working as resistance, which is now looking as support. So it's just a matter of time before again this 10 moving average flips the 50 moving average and it goes for another run. So if you look at the all-time high, it's over here. So given the bull market that we are in, it's not unreasonable to assume that it will at least retest its all-time high, because this is the entire move. If you look on a broader way, then it's going for a complete circle. So it's a 180-degree move. So it will retest, in my opinion. And if we look at the possibility of appreciation from here, it's 75%. And given that it is going to retest all-time high, I think it definitely won't just stop there. So, it can create a new all-time high. So to me, it looks like, if not more, at least what you can expect is a new all-time high somewhere over here at around 300, 350 Satoshis. So this is a definite possible scenario for RSR. So I think you can at least consider it retesting its all-time high. So this is a good time, a 74% appreciation in Bitcoin pair is a good buy in my opinion. But guys, again, do your own research, and anything can happen in markets, and a lot of faults depend on Bitcoin's mercy also. So if Bitcoin nukes, everything can nuke, irrespective of how much appealing they are looking right now. So be careful, but I am liking this setup, and hence I made this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.